supplies in the Astra Militarum depot and deliver the payload by rail. We shall collapse the superstructure from below.
Yes, Lieutenant. We shall burn and bury all. Keep a tight formation. We do not want to get separated.
The battle disturbs Avarax's arid landscape. Dust squalls can arise with little warning. If conditions obscure the path, look for the flashing guideposts.
No storm will delay our vengeance.
Advance while it is clear. No storm will delay our vengeance. Another bloody sandstorm incoming.
Thank the throne for this sturdy shelter. A tragedy that all these munitions cannot be unleashed upon the alien scum.
Activate the quartermaster's console and wake the machine spirit. Instructed to load the implosive warhead onto the train and assist it when necessary.
Gifts from the forge. Reloading. Load up on grenades.
On Messiah's blessings, Quartermaster. Waiting for instructions.
Your task is to affix a Nova Cannon explosive warhead to that train. Understood?
Acknowledge. Commencing transfer protocols. Attention. Servitors not found. Operators required to complete the transport process.
That is no order. Steal your minds! Alien interval flagged.
Requesting operator in Sector C. Log commanding officer's approval of material transfer in the operator's
Attack the ritual of that console!
clutches. Tyranids dispatched and dismantled. Replica sent. Ammunition here. See your weapon malfunction. The armory provides. Foul tyranny marked. Annihilate that neural. For the Emperor! Where shall I plant this flag? What needs nothing? Bask in the Emperor's glory! That's not me! Waste nothing, brothers! Magazine out, magazine in. Tending to my wounds. Smells like fresh munition.
Unauthorized access attempted. User expelled in accordance to Administratum security procedure. Provost officers alerted. Tablet process restored to the last valid stage. Resuming.
Good hope and good winds. That ready to deploy. Load up. Protect our wounds. Stay alert. Victory requires camouflage. Honor our captured colors, brother. Tyranids hit hard. Astartes hit hard. Fresh magazine in. My war gear is satisfied. Ammunition here!
Attention. Operator required from Sector A. Register shipment with supply train at the transit console.
Find that console!
I have this one, brothers!
Inputs accepted. Blessing, operator.
Waste nothing, brothers! Our adversary wishes to renew their assault. Deny them any advantage.
Munitions prepared for transit, quartermaster. Provide your command authorization to dispatch payload supply queue.
I am airborne ready. Come. Fresh munitions. The bindings have been loosened. I thank this machine's spirit.
Good. Escort the payload to the train.
Brothers, the blueprints say we can neutralize a nearby lift.
All specs ready to scan.
That is heretical behavior! Burst through the pain! We were ready! Crack grenade! Take your life and let terror fall! Brother, I am close! Hold fast! For the Imperium of Man, I have walked worlds unnumbered, and have not yet found one I could not find. Skitter to the grave, Explore this recently.
The lights will guide us, brothers.
into the hands of mere services. Survey the terrain like cannons. Load up. Brace for another storm.
This way, brothers.
Purge every last Xenos. Where shall I plant this flag?
The storm has dissipated. Swapping magazine.
Our glorious blood strengthens our
This school is as harmful as a summer breeze.
The Xenos infestation is stemmed.
The storm has dissipated.
Jump pack refuel. I am wary of the ease of this operation.
Obstruction detected. Removal is required to commence.
It shall be done. Obstruction cleared. Damn, not me!
Broke the Xenos on top.
Watch for psychic onslaught. Weak Xenos biomass on scope. Banner, ready to deploy.
Reinforcement scan.
Blessed stand. Amplify our value. Reserves empty. Magazine exhaust. Righteous storm set. Ammunition expended.
Swapping magazine.
open. Here. Rearming.
Damn, not me!
Departmental Militorum Ordnance Transfer 3639 loading complete. Manifest updated.
Xenos hungry. Check your aim.
That is heretical behavior!
Fresh magazine.
This galaxy is not yours!
Jump pack reach.
Hold on, son of Gilliman! You failed at all! While I stand, none of my promises move.
Avenging it.
See your weapon malfunction!
Another alien falls to the Imperium's keen blade. War gear requisition. No telling what surprises await. Warhead is loaded, Lieutenant.
Good! Deploy it!
Where shall I plant this flag?
Shoot them, not me!
Dispatching engine. Make sure all servitors are away from the ring. Wait for warning before effective further traction. Dispatchers, return to your stations.
Launching payload!
Error. Engine power depleted. Initiating charging cycle.
Talassa, I have multiple swarms moving to your location. You have their attention. Deal with them swiftly. We will not get another shot at this.
They rush us from the terminal!
Brothers, it occurs to me the Xenos are unaware they must catch a train. Must
Cogitating
keep the
proposition.
train out of their
Preparing
putrid.
standby engine for departure. Dispatchers. Dispatching engine. Ensure all servitors are away from the rails. Rail shift completed. Schedule conflicts detected. Changes suspended until reprocessing is complete. Motive power charged to 25%. Standby engine ready for departure. Engine charged to 50%. Fault in charging system detected. Engine zero requested to perform rites of restoration.
Link your armor to the Mechanicus device. You will need to keep close proximity to the charging station until the reset is complete.
Fault in charging system detected. Engine seer requested to perform rites of restoration. Remote vehicle detected.
That silenced the Tyranids' vile chittering.
Establishing diagnostic collection.
Assume your weapon malfunction.
Diagnostic station. Praise to the shield for this blessed gift. Engine charged to 75%. Dispatcher, the engine is charged and prepared for departure.
Deploy immediately.
As you command.
Picking up extra rounds.
Please engage the launch sequence to initiate locomotion.
Detonation in 5. Brace for shockwave. We are the Fist of the Imperium, and we delivered a mighty blow. No Xenos bioscans. Mission successful, Talassa. Return to the battle match.